Meza. And you watch more punches coming from Boom Boom.
Aktibo pa rin. Ito pong si Boom Boom Bautista. Let's see. Dahil nga po, ang dami ng kung sinusundan nyo po yung mga punch stats natin, ang dami ng mga binibitawang suntok na magkabila, lalo-lalo na si Boom Boom Bautista.
And enjoying the action. The Big J.
The Big J, yes.
At ringside.
Napakaganda itong venue natin dito pagkat na tunay na makasaysayan para sa boxing. Ito ang Araneta Coliseum. Thrilla in Manila. Of course, yung inauguration nito, si Flash Elorde.
1960.
Ang unang World Championship po na ginanap dito po sa Araneta Coliseum. Pag ako nagkakamali, inauguration pa ng Araneta Coliseum.
Yes, oo. Ako si March 1960 nung tinalo ni Flash Elorde si Harold Gomes for the World Junior Lightweight Championship.
Ito po Araneta Coliseum ngayon slowly re-establishing itself as the mecca of boxing dito po sa ating bansa sa Manila.
Break, step back.
Ten rounds scheduled for 12 po ito. And both fighters, ito yung pagod sa magkabila. Oh, ito naman.
A slip.
Right shoulder slip.
And that was actually a blow that was thrown by Meza. At makikita natin,
partner. Slip by Bruce McTavish.
Yes, it was ruled a slip. It was actually a glancing blow, but he lost his footing and then he went down.
Ito solido na, bitawan dito. At na-stagger doon si Boom Boom.
Boom Boom got hurt.
Right hook to the head.
And he's forced to hold on. Good round here for Meza so far. Alam mo, partner, napansin natin, no? Meron ng masking tape around the shoes of Boom Boom Bautista.
Kasi madulas.
Oo, kasi madulas eh. And baka yung sapatos niya hindi masyadong nagbibigay ng traction.
Tama yun, no? At ito, this round, ito si Meza. May mga sorpresang baon si Meza dito sa 10th round natin.
Akala natin pagod na ito si Meza sa kakatama ni Boom Boom sa kanyang katawan, pero ito pinapakita ni Meza that he's still very strong in this round number 10. Keep it up! Keep it up!
And you can hear, ito po si referee Bruce McTavish. Again, reminding ito po si Boom Boom Bautista, taas mo suntok mo.
There's blood trickling from that cut again, the corner of the right eye ni Meza.
And in this round, ito talagang, well, kanina po,
ito parang nakukuha ito ni Meza.
Napaluhod dito si Boom Boom.
Yes,
It was rolled and slip, pero na-staggered naman siya after matapos yun. As they continue to engage toe-to-toe, ito pong dalawang boksingero nito. Alam mo, sa puntong ito, nating tulus na para kay Meza siguro.
That's right.
Kinito.
If he's way behind on points, ang kailangan niya dito knockout. And we're already in round number 10. And
ngayon, mas agresibo itong si Meza.
We'll give this round to Meza for sure. At maya-maya, baka makita natin yung masking tape around the shoes, the soles of the shoes of Ray Boom Boom Bautista.